Alright, hey big boys, it's your boy Walnut Boy back at it again with another video. And, yeah. So, right now it's just a weird time period because I'm super unmotivated. And why are you here? This is not supposed to be a collab video. You ain't supposed to be here with your little black lipstick on. Like, what is that? So, guys, my little sister just jumped in the whip, whipping that 05 Kia Rio. There you go, just look at it in all its beauty. Yeah.
Definitely not children.
This is my car, by the way. It's my whip. So, yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna get out it real quick. Gotta roll down this window. It's a crank window, cause, rolling with them old school vibes, like, she ain't running right now. Let me just getting out of my car though.
I'm on top of
I'm out. So, this Dewey was in a wreck, We got rear-ended. But we good, we Gucci.
I usually break my ankle every time I do that.
Did I pop the hood? Yeah.
Which one is it?
It's the hood.
Yeah, I don't think that's uneven though. Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah. So,
I don't know, let me just try to break it open. Here.
Go in there and get a screwdriver or something.
Okay. Yeah, that worked. Wait, get the latch.
Where's the latch?
How is it me who always knows how to break into places and do stuff like this? Come on, man.
Hold on, pull it up.
I got it. I know how to do stuff like this, Hayden. It's not the first time I've ever done anything like that. Don't worry.
This is what's under the hood.
And I get credit for being the only one that knows how to break into shit. Stuff. I said stuff.
Yeah, you said stuff.
I said stuff. Okay, yeah. Alright.
This is where the
much
washer fluid goes. There's a funnel in it. Power steering fluid goes right there.
I got it.
All right here.
Wow.
Ain't got much. The battery dead. That's why it won't crank. It's a little 4-cylinder though. It ain't much. Hold up.
Ugh.
Okay, so 4.5 quarts of oil goes in it from our race.
But remember, I know how to open it, so if you need that open again.
But then we got the trunk back here, which I'm surprised this opens.
Oh wow, there's still these. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Here,
yeah.
let's get this out. Wow. I didn't even know this was here.
This is my car, guys.
How many times did you think for that?
Oh yeah, here's the gas thing. It came from right there, duh.
Wow.
But yeah, that's fun.
Alright, let's shut this.
I'm gonna take a piece of it.
No, numbnuts.
Hold up.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna pop it again. Tell me if you guys like these longer videos like that. Because I need to do more of these, honestly. Here's another piece from like the tail light.
Dang.
Right there.
Oof.
Yeah, you can see it got mashed up pretty good. Can't open the driver's side door, but so I just hop through the window.
Can't open this either.
Or the gas thing. So
I can get that open because I know how to do stuff.
But yeah, that's a nice little car tour. I love you guys. Bye. Stay lit. No homo, of course.
That's very
bye.